Hi, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Vanessa T. Anyana. I'm 33 years old. I live in Tagabaca, Butuan City. I am married. I have one brother. I am the eldest of the family. I have two kids. The age of my kids is 13 years old and 4 years old. My education is first year college taking up a business administration. I've been working before in Qatar and I serve four members in the family. My duties is cleaning, cooking, washing dishes, and ironing. And I also take care of the children. And I help the children to prepare their things to school. And I also make them food to bring in the school. And also I assist them to take a bath. And sometimes I teach them or tutor them in English. To my dear future employer, I will promise to do my best as a helper worker. And I will assure you that I am hardworking, patient, and multitasking. And if you have a baby or a children, I treat them or I love them as my own. And I promise I finish my contract. And if you have a rules and regulations to give to me, I will assure you or I tell you that I will follow this one if it's safe to me. And thank you very much.